The Confidea Product Family is one of our most innovative product families for formal meetings with unparalleled flexibility, both on a wired and a wireless variant. They all have one powerful idea in common. It's one single unit, but with many different faces. The Confidea Product Family consists of 3 different systems. It has the Flex wired system and also 2 wireless systems, the Confidea Flex G4 and the Confidea Go G4. These systems really adapt to different meeting needs. They can be flexibly adjusted and they can also be combined into one system, even used for one single meeting. This gives you a lot of flexibility to offer both fixed installations with our wired units and then add on top of those some wireless units. For example, changing room layouts, for temporary setups, also for evolving meeting needs over time. With software licensing, you can flexibly add functionality to the units. You can change it from a discussion-only unit to really a full-fledged managed meeting unit with agenda management, voting sessions, recording capabilities, and so on, all managed from one single interface. We also have the possibility to change the units with one single tap from a chairperson to a delegate unit and the way back. And as a chairperson, you can fully take control of your meeting with speaker management, managing the request list, initiating voting sessions, recording capabilities, and so on. So all of that with a single touch. So the Confidea family combines crystal clear audio with an interactive display and multifunctional controls to keep your meetings well organized and very structured. It also is very easy to set up. The wireless units have flexible battery management with a long battery life to keep your meetings going on for the full day. And then lastly, it also got recognized with a Red Dot Award for its user-friendly design. And it's really recognized by international institutions, city councils, parliaments, and also corporate boards worldwide. If you want more information, visit our website on www.televic.com/conference.